Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to deactivate TikTok account in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, open the application on your mobile phone, and then on the lower right side click the profile icon, and then next click the three lines icon on the upper right side, and then click settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, click account, and under account select or click deactivate or delete account. And next you'll be routed to two options, either deactivate or delete account permanently. So select deactivate account, and please be noted that after the deactivation your account will be unavailable and you'll not be able to receive messages, and you can restore or reactivate the account by simply log in the information. And to finalize reactivating your TikTok account, TikTok will be sending you a verification code to your number that is connected to your TikTok. And after receiving the 6-digit verification code, enter to the space provided, and then just click deactivate account after that. And that's it, your TikTok account will be temporarily deactivated. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos.